be showing you my school, the private school in Nowars, Baghdad. So let's go in and show you the first place. Here is the shop. This is where we sit and eat our food. We have some cupcakes, a lot of things here, and some hot potato chips, some water, and some juice, and some Pepsi. And we also have a lot of chips, like hot potato chips, and also some flavored chips. Right here is where we sit and eat our food. And we also buy some food here, and we could also sit outside to eat our food because there is chairs.
Okay, when do you come in here?
I come in here first rest and second rest.
Okay, thank you.
So this is my new friend. I met her in this school. Her name is Rowan. Hello, Rowan. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What about you? I am great. Let's go play. Can we play here? Sure, let's go. Oh, there are students here. We can't play. Play now? No, there are students here training. Okay. This is the bench where we sit and eat our food in the break or before our lessons. And right here we have the water fountain and some decorations for Christmas. The water fountain is very pretty. I love it. And we also have a lot of parties when we have Christmas. Our school makes a party. These are the models that are wearing our school uniform. This is the PE uniform, our normal school uniform. These are the boy uniforms and the girl uniform for PE. And this is the flag of my school. We have it on our shirts. It is Nowars, Baghdad. It's the first aid. Here we have some medical cotton balls. This is when we get hurt. And we also have some bandages if we need to hurry. Let's go into my principal's room. This is Miss Mona.
Hello, Rowan.
Hello.
What are you doing now?
I am showing my school to my friends.
Okay. Okay, continue. You're showing.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Let's go around. Let me show the classes. This is the 6th grade.
Rest your teacher, yeah?
And we also have the 1st grade and also the another 1st grade.
Now
Let's climb up the stairs. Here we have the science room. We have the board. These are the names of the students. We have some chairs, a table. Also, we have this pretty painting that a student drew. And here is the TV. And we also have some pictures of some of these chemicals. A lot of pictures. What is that? That is a TV.
what do you work with the TV?
we open on some YouTube videos, like some knowing the parts of the body of the animal, the person.
Okay.
And here we have some decorations to make it look cute and fun. We have a skeleton. And we also have some pictures. This is a science girl, which is doing chemicals. Here are chemicals, actually, right when I was talking about them. That is the sun. And we have some little balls up there, just to be a little cute with it. We also have an air conditioner here, that when it gets really hot, you could open it.
What's this?
This is the desks for the students. These are the names. Here is the board. This is where the miss sits. And we also have some things here, like this and this. Also, a heart which has been drawn. Don't worry, it's not a real heart. Here are these.
This is the solar sun system. We are developed by British Institute. We have this idea to teach it for our students in our school, Nowars, Baghdad, in the science lesson to learn it about the planets, stars.
Here is the second grade, the A. This is Miss Sarah. They are having an Arabic class. Do you love Miss Sarah? Yes, we love.
Which lesson?
Which lesson? Dad. This is the story about the dad.
In Arabic?
In Arabic.
Okay.
Class. We are having English. This is Miss Tema.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
I am good.
Thank you. What is the paper on the paper?
Which lesson today, Miss Tima?
English.
Unit 6, this one, my mom birth. We talk about Unit 6, lesson 1. What's the lesson on the paper? Please, Rowan.
We are having my mom's birthday.
What is the art of the paper? Trust me, Alan.
Here is
Excellent. Tube of the family. One the tube of the family. Grand.
so
Grandma?
we have grandma, grandpa, brother and sister and dad.
Continue about your class.
Here we have the lockers and all my friends.
What do you need this locker?
We need it to store our books
Okay.
in here.
And
We also have some decorations, and these are all of my friends. And we also have a painting of the school. An old student that got out of the school drew it. And we also have an air conditioning.
do you love Miss Tima?
Do you love Miss Tama? Yes, we love.
Okay.
Yes. I hope you enjoyed this video.